Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
What's held back?
I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, found it out. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, found it out. This
देखो इतना सारा देखो रात में इतना सुंदर है नो थिंक भी तो अभी हम लोग अलग जगह में जा रहे हैं तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखो।
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed, put on my best suit, got in my car, raced like a jet, all the way to you. Say you'll never get your best until the day I die. Tell me like I'm my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so?
Hey, mama tuh. Jadi dompet. Jadi dompet. Nih, mama.
Love me or hate me, boys will be boys, standing at the altar. We'll run away to another guy.
ऑर्डर किया है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये इयररिंग।
हम लोग खाना खा लिया, अभी हम लोग खाना खा के
फेस्टिवल
कॉन्सर्ट देखने के लिए जा रहा है। तो अभी हम लोग मैगडालिन बैंड को देखने के लिए जा रहा है। तो किस किस को मैगडालिन बैंड को देखना है, हमारा वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखो।
I've been waiting on the curve to make a ride for myself. Gotta break away, gotta take it down, gotta separate, gotta burn this out. This is not how I want to live my life, escaping the hell I have created.
While they're preparing, I'll make some introduction about the band. The one standing to my left, our guitarist, his name is Victor. Victor. And the one standing on my right side, our bassist, his name is PB. Yeah. And the one sitting behind me, our drummer, his name is Patel. Hey. And his name is Stewart. Thank you. And yeah, you can call me Stewart. How many of you knows about Magdalene? Please raise your hand. Come on. Ready for more? Louder, please. Ready for more? Yes, you all are so beautiful tonight. We want to thank you for let us being here, being with you, and have this wonderful time. I want to thank on behalf of my band, and I'm really excited. It would be the greatest crowd that I've ever been with like this on the stage. It's really awesome. Wow, my words can't express it. You look so beautiful tonight. We might speak different languages. We might look different in colors. But one thing that brings us together is music, right? Let's give a big applause for music! Yeah! What? Come on, sing for me. Breaks down, we're crying. So soldiers dying, their family crying. I just want to make one request. Can we hold our phones and turn on the lights? To make our world a better place, let's sing together this song. Okay, there's nothing much we can do. Let's pray to the